Okay, so today I'm going to be making some squishies with this flex rubber mix. So I'm going to turn my scale on. You want to make sure you tear it out. And this is just equal parts. So I have part A. And I'm going to do probably 3 ounces of each. You have to be kind of careful because all of a sudden it'll be 3.5 before you know it. I'm not exactly sure how much these molds take because I usually just do a giant batch of different types of molds. Okay, there we go. There's 3. Alright, and then I'm not going to bother to tear it out. Normally I would hit tear and restart, but I'm just going to add 3 more with part B. Oh, went down to 2.9 there. It's okay. And this stuff, this is the real heavy stuff. Part B, before you know it, you'll go way overboard. So you just got to pour slowly and be patient. Okay, so I'm done mixing. Mixed it really well and scraped the sides and the bottom while I was doing that. So now I'm just going to put some in these little cups so I can do a few different colors, be neater than me. Okay, so I'm just using, I'm going to put fresh gloves on after I do this. I'm just using some of these mica powders in a variety of colors. I make these for kids at flea markets, farmers markets, and they love all the different colors. And you really don't have to put too much. I have this coffee color, it's like a brown. I like to do a nice variety of colors, all kinds of different colors. This is a nice gold. You don't need a lot. I'm probably putting even more than I even need here. I mean, there's no exact measurements. This is going to be a violet red. I'll use a little more of this because I'm putting it in the big cup, which is a lot more than these little cups do. Okay. I'm just going to put on some fresh gloves. Okay, so I'm going to mix this mica powder in. You want to kind of mix it in there well. Scrape it off the sides. Just make sure all those little bits of it are mixed in nicely. And there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to mix and match some of these. I'll fill the little toes. I mean, it doesn't have to be absolute perfection. These colors are pretty translucent. Okay, and then I think I'll do some of this pretty green next. Oops. And you can, like I said, you can be a lot neater than I am. I'm not the neatest crafter in the world. which is why I use these puppy pads. And just throw it away when I'm done. Alright, then I'll take this beautiful gold color, pour it right on top. And that red will stay separated from the gold. Fill it right up. They do shrink down a little bit, so you want to get that mold filled nice and high to the top. Okay. Some of this beautiful violet red color on top of the green. And that one looked like it spread a lot, but it'll still be awesome and the kids will love them. I sell these at markets and I sell out every time. The kids can't get enough of them. Tap them down, shake them out a little bit so that gets all the way in there. And any bubbles, you don't really have to worry about bubbles too much with this, but any bubbles that form come to the top. Use some of this brown. You can swirl colors together. You can really do whatever you want. Like I said, kids love them no matter what. You can use any colors. You can do all one color. And the kids will love them. They'll just go crazy for them. A little slower this time so the green doesn't bleed all into it as much. Alright, and that's really it. Just gonna let these sit. I mean, you can let them sit for at least 6 hours. I usually just let them sit overnight, you know, and then unmold them. Okay, so it's been almost 24 hours, and I'm going to unmold my squishy paws. And I like to push on the mold and just be gentle with the squishy itself. Just kind of ease it out. This one. And just peeling back the mold and pushing. I like to push it up from underneath. And the colors stayed pretty much. That one stayed nicely separated. There we go. And the kit to this comes with some flocking powder, which just makes it soft. I don't do that. I just leave them sticky because it is a sticky product, as you can see. But I think most of the kids like them sticky. So I just leave them as this. I don't usually flock them. And then I just package them up and bring them to the markets, and they sell like crazy. Alright, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.